Quarter 2 Wheelie is here. Who doesn't love some soft side luggage? Okay, why we love the Porter and why does it keep coming back in so many different colors? Because it works. Soft side luggage is so convenient because it's so lightweight, but also you can always get a little bit more in. So like this bag's packed full, but look at this, you still got real estate here. So I always use this little extra spot here for that last minute thing that you want to stash inside. You're gonna love all the easy features. So you've got the nice grab handle. It has the jelly grip underneath, so it feels good when you're carrying it like a little brief. You've got locking zippers here, and this has been enhanced here also with this puller, so you can attach the oversized pullers on here if you like. We've got our signature cell phone pocket, which I love. So when you get through TSA, just having a quick access to your phone is really convenient. And then also for the bottle pockets on the side, I love these because usually as I'm going through security, then after I'm looking for that bottle of water. So I like having a place for it. This zipper pocket is so convenient because you can put your reading materials in here. It goes all the way down to the bottom side. And you can see here in the moonberry, this beautiful new floral print that has a bunch of berries inside. Okay, you're gonna absolutely love this trolley. So telescopic handle, when I pull this down, you'll be able to see how high that goes, but you're gonna love by having that here, nice and durable, but then you can also sit a nice carry-on bag on top. A lot of times we put a luggage strap on the back that looks like this, so you can sit your carry-on on top. We also put it here on the Porter so that if you want to double-decker your Porters, you can do that as well. You've got a nice ID window here. You can fill that up and then just have that peace of mind that you always have your ID. You can zip this top piece closed and then it conceals the trolley handle. I love this feature right here. The grab handle is so convenient. Nice wipeable bottom, really nice durable wheels, 360-degree rotation, but you can get in and out of the car. Maybe you're carrying this and putting this in the overhead compartment on an aircraft. What you're gonna love, especially about the Porter, is how convenient and how fast you can pack. This opens up this top lid opener right here. So you've got two zippers, and this is a new enhancement here. So we've usually in the past have had little cargo pockets. Now we gave you two enhanced pockets so you can have additional storage for the small stuff can go in here. Maybe you want to put socks and undies inside another one or your tech, it's up to you. And here's why we love the Porter, because look at right away you can see what's inside, and that's how easy it is to pack. Take your trolley, and this is why this has been designed this way, is that you have, see, oftentimes you have this real estate right here, right? Or at the base of the bag. It's really nice that this doesn't take up too much space. It's compact, but you have what you need. And then it leaves you with practical space for the rest of your items. Ooh, I've got another trolley inside here and a pair of sneakers. And then I'm gonna show you inside here. You've got this little elastic here. So if you want to tame things inside and like have them nice and secure in the base, you can use that. Otherwise, you can toss everything on top. Really nice and easy. Again, so convenient to pack because you can see everything inside and it makes packing a breeze. And away we go.